Hey guys, today I'm checking out this brand new smartwatch that I received for reviewing purposes, and let me tell you, it's not just a regular smartwatch as it has some really nice integrated AI features and advanced GPS tracking, making it really perfect for any kind of situation and making it easier to be connected and guided all the time, which I think that it's nice. It comes with the user guide, the charging cable, and the proper main unit. Okay, you can connect it upon an application, and that way you can see all the different configurations that you can do. Okay, what sets this smartwatch apart is its AI integration. Imagine just telling your watch, design me a sleek, minimal face, and instantly getting a personalized look. Need a quick information? The AI Q&A delivers answers right on your wrist. You don't need your cell phone. And for any kind of travelers or global communicators, the AI translation feature breaks down language barriers in real time. You can speak or text and the watch translates instantly, so you can connect anywhere. Now let's talk about the GPS, because this is where the watch becomes a true fitness and adventure partner. It's equipped with advanced GPS tracking, and it gives you precise data on the distance, routes, steps, and calories burned, help you monitor your progress in real time. And you can switch into one of the multiple sport modes, whether running, cycling, hiking, or even climbing, and the watch adapts and gives you accurate performance and insights. With the GPS functions, you can retrace your path, plan routes, and stay on track even in unfamiliar places. And while you're out there, you will never miss a call or a message, as it has a Bluetooth calling and instant text reply. I think that it's great that the application records all the information recorded by the watch, and it will be monitoring over time. You can see it like index or like in a calendar. You can see all the information about it and do all the proper configuration that you needed, which I think that it's great. So if you're looking for a smartwatch that combines AI features with a powerful GPS tracking and staying connected at the same time, I think that this is a really nice option. As you could see, it has different configurations that you can do, so depending on the accessibility you want, make calls and everything, which I think that it's really nice. And overall, I like it a lot and I would really recommend it. See you guys!